Balana coming into view there in the background as well. And we've got a rider down, and it's a back marker. Might have been Murray, actually, the 167. So the Australian, Nick Murray, one of the wild cards here this weekend, as Jonass makes a move, and he finds a way past Beaton. Finally gets himself back into 7th place. Beaton left the door open. They're going to be bar to bar as they hit the step down there. Beaton, though, could not get alongside the Latvian because he knew they might have collided mid-air. Still got some work to do. Jonass does hang on, though. I wonder if Paul Jonass realised that Evans was closing in.